goods again. Okay?
So, yun yung thank you Mocha for the wonderful explanation. So, yun ngayon yung objectives of implementing the production process. Now, what are the elements of production decision? So, when it comes to production decision, alam na natin yung objectives. Ngayon, when we engage in or before we engage into a production process or before we implement the production process, ano naman yung mga elements or areas of consideration natin dapat muna na dapat i-consider. So, eto yung mga yun. So, si Mocha na naman. So, ang
Una ay ito. So, amount to produce. Okay? So, the first thing that you have to decide upon is gaano karami yung ipoproduce natin. So, when it comes to amount to produce, hindi lang yan as basic as, 10 lang i-produce muna natin. So, hindi naman yan ganun. So, there are also things that you have to do to determine kung gaano pa talaga kadami dapat yung ipoproduce natin. So, majority of the companies out there, lalong-lalo na if they are into mass production, ang ginagawa nila is that, mass production. Hindi lang basta mass production or yung iba pang mga companies that are big pala, sorry. Yung malalaking kumpanya. What they do is that they are forecasting, no? They are using forecasting as a tool to determine kung gaano kadami ba dapat yung dapat nilang i-produce. So when you say forecasting, it is a process actually of guessing what would be the demand for the next period or kaya next month or next week. So gumagamit tayo ng statistical tool dito para yung mga historical data iti-treat natin yan using statistics to determine kung gaano kataas yung market demand in the future. At kung ganon kataas yung market demand, let's say for example, the demand for this product next month is 100,000 tons. So we have to produce products or we have to produce 100 tons din ng products, no? Kasi nga, yun yung ina-assume natin na market demand based on our forecasting. Yung iba naman, they are also considering their capacity. No? Pag sinabing capacity, yung kakayanan lang nilang i-produce. So, kunwari, for a day, merong 8 workable production hours. Sa 8 hour or per hour, kaya natin mag-produce ng 1,000 units. So kung yung 1,000 units yung capacity natin, then yung amount to produce every day is expected to be 8 times 1,000 that will give you 8,000. Diba? So things like that. So may mga hindi lang siya as basic as deciding on gaano kadami ipoproduce. So meron tayong mga considerations din pagdating sa volume nung or yung quantity nung ipoproduce nating item or unit. Pangalawa, whether to move forward with mass production. Ngayon, when say mass production, it is producing large quantity of products. Madami. Ngayon, dito sa mass production, we are disregarding the demand. Hindi natin kinukonsider dito sa mass production yung demand. So, kumbaga, produce lang tayo ng post-produce. So, ano lang yung maglilimit sa atin? Ang maglilimit lang sa atin dyan ay, yung capacity. If our capacity to produce ay limited to 100,000 tons per month, then hanggang dun lang tayo. So, we will be continuing to produce, we're gonna be continuing to mass produce hanggang ma-reach natin yung 100,000 nating capacity. Okay? So again, mass production is producing products in large quantity. Okay? Based on the capacity. Okay? So I hope that's clear. Then let's move on. Next, third one, technology to use. Anong equipment nang gagamitin natin? Are we gonna use automation, robotics, or yung mga latest technology? Gagamitin ba natin yan? Or are we gonna stick with traditional or manual labor? So yung mga yan ay mga areas din to consider. So kalimitan ngayon, lalong-lalo na if you're gonna enter in an industry wherein highly competitive yung mga companies. Kasi nga, modern yung technology na ginagamit nila. So it is wise for companies then to adapt to those trends pagdating sa technology, no? Technological advancement. Kasi kung hindi, malileft behind sila sa competition. Kasi the more advanced ang technology, ano kasi yan directly proportional to efficiency. So, mas advanced ang technology mo, mas effective and efficient ka sa ginagawa mo. Okay? And then lastly, input combinations to use. So, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, when we are pertaining to inputs, those are pertaining to labor, capital, and land. So, gaano karaming tao ang kailangan nating i-employ? Gaano kadlaki yung pera na kailangan nating i-invest? At ano yung mga physical resources na kailangan para magawa natin yung produkto? So, yung tatlong yon ay yung labor, capital, and land. So, kung gaano karaming tao, anong equipment ang gagamitin or technology ang gagamitin, at gaano kalaking pera ang needed for it to be realized, then yun ngayon yung combination na gagamitin mo to produce. Okay, so I hope you understand my explanation for this one. Going back to Sir Dave.
So, yun. Oo. So, sana na-explain ni Mocha ang itong apat na to. So, let's have our break. So, it's already 2:54 p.m. So, 6 minutes lang yung break natin, no? Kasi nga para may 30 minutes pa tayo for our second half. So, kapag natapos naman na tayo noon, papakawalan ko na rin kayo ng mas maaga. If you have question, please reserve your question